the moment we are in the Devenish lands at Douth, along the banks of the beautiful River Boyne. This is home to Devenish's research farm. Here we're doing several projects. They range from deer management to ecology to archaeology and indeed farming systems. Devenish's strategic focus is One Health from soil to society, and indeed HeartLand is a perfect example of this. HeartLand is a Marie Curie project supported by the European Commission. Our collaborators are University College Dublin in Ireland and Wageningen University in the Netherlands. We aim to train 5 PhD students from all across the world, from Nigeria, Brazil, Argentina, Ireland and Belgium, on this journey of understanding the impact of soil, plant, animal and eventually human and environmental health. In the Devenish lands at Douth, we have a very large grazing experiment going on at the moment. This encompasses 36 hectares of land here. There are 9 hectares in permanent pasture, 9 hectares in a monoculture of perennial ryegrass, 9 hectares in a 6 multi-species sward, and 9 hectares in a 12 multi-species sward mix. The multi-species sward contain herbs, legumes and grasses. The benefits of multi-species swards primarily is that they require less nitrogen inputs. With our multi-species swards, we have put on 60% less nitrogen. And even with that less nitrogen, we've had better dry matter yield and improved animal performance. An additional benefit of this system is biodiversity. We have already seen a 300% increase in earthworms under a multi-species sward. Earthworms are a really excellent indicator of soil health. Each sward type has been co-grazed by cattle and sheep, and we're going to look at a huge gamut of different parameters. We're going to look at soil health in terms of the sward. We're going to look at yield, quality, persistence, establishment. In the animals, we're going to look at methane emissions, we're going to look at meat quality, we're going to look at weight gain, and we're going to look at parasitic burden. All of this data will be brought together in a complicated algorithm called farm design, and using that we can understand the impact of farm management decisions based on indeed the sward type, the fertiliser used and the establishment method, and the trade-offs and synergies that can be accomplished with these farm management decisions on ecosystem services, on profitability and indeed on human health. Our hypothesis is that we will see an improvement right across the food chain, indeed from soil to society, that nutrient cycling will be maximised in this type of farm management decision. We've got one grazing season done in this project, and indeed we will do it again next year, and at that point we will have a set of very robust data. All our projects are indeed interlinked. They all have a systematic approach because indeed that is the approach that we feel is essential to achieve the objective of One Health from soil to society.